Well, I'm off to a slow start today, or a later start. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Started a bike ride at high noon. Seems like every time I was thinking about getting ready to go, I thought of something else to do first. Riding the Canyon Endurace CF SLX bike today. Weather 72 degrees. Wind is out of the east at 13 miles an hour. It's fair. I don't see any clouds. This morning when I got up it was 43 degrees, so it took a couple hours for it to warm up into the 60s. Today's route is going to be Atascocita, Walden, and then I'm going to go to Huffman. I'm going to stay on FM 1960. And then when I get to Huffman, I'm going to go north on FM 2100 to Smith Road, and then take that west back to FM 1960. I'm thinking that it's probably a 31-mile ride. Riding east on Cedar Knolls Drive. Stop, pull the battery out of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. For some reason or another, I decided it didn't want to work. I'm going to turn right, Woods Estates Drive. Kings Forest. Shade, it's a little chilly. to be in the sun. The wind seems to be coming from my left side. Not exactly a headwind, but you still have to ride through it. Tailwind or an all-out headwind. River looks like it's fairly calm. I don't see any barges. That are working on the mouth bar to my left, about 2 miles, maybe 3 miles. Glass on the shoulder today. Little rise up out of the river bottom. Stop for traffic light at Kings River Drive. Not sure what's going on there. Car being pulled up on the truck, a wrecker. I'm on Pinehurst Trail Drive, 11.0 miles. Riding east over Lake Houston is almost an obligatory place to shoot video. Have somewhat of a headwind. But it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Lake Houston has some waves in it, I guess you would call it, ripples. For 2 or 3/10 of a mile till I can make a U-turn. Then I'll come back to FM 2100 and turn right. Okay, go north. Looks like traffic's clear. Make the U-turn. On Monday, one of the chores that I did, not necessarily a chore, but one of the things I did was air up the tires on both bikes. Valinsky R300, I aired it up to about 82, 83 pounds. And the Canyon, almost to 90. I'd say 88, 87, 88 pounds PSI. Stay on FM 2100 until I get to Smith Road, where I'll turn left. That'll take me back west to East Lake Houston Parkway, and then I'll take that south to FM 1960. House might be closed. They haven't been open that long. I think they opened up in February of this year. I'd be a victim of COVID-19. Headed this direction, the wind is coming from my right front quarter. When I turn onto Smith Road, I think I'll have a tailwind, mostly at least. I haven't ridden this section of FM 2100 going north in a while. Recently I rode south to Smith Road from the north, but not from the south. Up ahead the traffic light is Smith Road. Sometimes it's tricky getting over there with the traffic. Pause the camera. Nearing the west end of Smith Road, where it dead ends into East Lake Houston Parkway. Going off to turn left. Towards FM 1960. Ahead on my right is the Huffman Elementary School. I did have a nice tailwind as I was riding west on Smith Road. Here, the wind is coming from my left side. chip and seal. Huffman Falcons, it says on the fence. FM 1960 at the traffic light, turning right. I think there might be something amiss with my saddle. I have a fabric saddle, that's the brand, not the material, and sometimes it pops. Like it might have something loose. I'm riding west over Lake Houston. Boat going along. Nice blue sky. Some islands. Some dead trees resting on the bottom. Closer to West Lake Houston Parkway. Riding on Kings Harbor Drive. Now that I've been helped by the tailwind, I got my average speed up to 14.3 miles an hour. It'll probably start dropping here soon because I'm going to be in Kingwood, where starting and stopping slows me down. When you stop, it takes a certain amount of time and distance to get back up to speed. Looks like the ride is going to be over 31 miles, probably not quite to 32 miles.